Hi, I'm Mike Dawson, and I'm going to be running the Comics Writing for Educators class for Project Right Now. This is a 4-week class. I will be focusing on how comics work, what makes them different from other forms of writing, and what makes them different from drawing. So, I am a published professional cartoonist. I have 2 graphic novels that are written for middle grade readers called the Fifth Quarter series, both of which were Junior Library Guild Gold Standard selections. And I frequently publish comics in places like Slate, The Nib, the New York Times. I've been making comics for a couple of decades now. The purpose of this class will be for educators who are interested in learning how to use comics in their classroom. And believe me, kids love comics and graphic novels, to let them know how comics work and to feel more comfortable with cartooning. It's going to be a class where you will learn from me about cartooning, but you also will make your own comics. A lot of people will say, I can't draw. And I expect to hear a lot of that from the adult educators who are in the class, because adults generally are more nervous about trying things they don't feel good at. But cartooning and drawing are 2 different things. And what you'll take away from this class is a feeling that you can make comics because you can tell stories using the language of cartooning. So I hope you join me and I hope to see you in the class.